At 81 feet, the Azimut Fly 82 is not simply a larger Fly Series boat, it is a structural argument, carbon tech superstructure, triple Volvo Penta EPS, and a hydraulic beach club that no comparable platform at this price point offers. If the Fly 82 is on your shortlist, you need a technical walkthrough before you step aboard. I'm Victoria Sterling with Minted Yachts. Today I'm walking you through the Azimut Fly 82, the technical breakdown you need before you shortlist. Starting with power and performance. The standard fit is 3 Volvo Penta IPS, 1200 units at 900 horsepower each, with an optional upgrade to 3 IPS 1350 at 1000 horsepower per drive. Triple pod propulsion on an 81-foot 63-ton hull is the correct engineering call. Joystick control at this displacement is not a convenience feature, it is how you manage the boat without a full-time captain standing next to you. At a cruise of 25 knots, you are covering meaningful blue water distance efficiently. Fuel capacity is 1,506 gallons. At 25 knots cruise, buyers in this segment typically plan for 400-plus nautical mile passages with that fuel load, well within the cruising patterns of an owner-operated 80-footer. Dimensions: 81 feet 4 inches overall, 19 feet 3 inches of beam. Draft is 5 feet 7 inches, navigable in most marina berths. The hull design by Pierluigi Ausonio is deliberate and conservative. No handling surprises in a seaway, which brokers observe in sea trials. What's worth flagging is the carbon tech superstructure, 30% lighter than conventional glass construction at this scale. That is not a marketing claim. It translates directly to stability, fuel efficiency, and reduced strain on the IPS drives at cruise. The Flybridge helm station is the operational center of this vessel. Triple IPS with Volvo joystick integration means a single operator can manage dock approach without drama at 81 feet. The cockpit configuration reflects the flagship positioning. The deck-to-deck hydraulic terrace system opens to approximately 400 square feet of water-level outdoor space at anchor. That system is not available on the Sunseeker 90 Ocean or the Princess Y85 at this price point. Buyers should evaluate how much time they spend at anchor versus underway. If water-level access matters to your ownership pattern, this is a differentiated feature. Accommodations are configured for 4 cabins plus 2 crew cabins, with 5 heads plus 1 crew head. The owner's suite runs the full 19-foot beam with direct transom access, an unusual layout at this size that positions the boat between owner-operated and crew-dependent. Buyers stepping up from a 60-footer will find it a significant capability increase without requiring permanent crew. Owners downsizing from a 100-footer will recognize the reduced operating overhead. The salon and galley configuration follows Azimut's established Fly Series logic, volume first, with the social deck as the primary living space. Standout differentiators from a broker perspective. The triple IPS with carbon tech combination delivers 20 to 30% better fuel efficiency than comparable shaft drive platforms in the 80 to 85-foot class. A material number when you are calculating annual operating costs. The deck-to-deck system is genuinely novel at this price point. Resale trajectory has improved markedly. Current market data shows Fly Series boats holding 60 to 65% of original value after 5 years with proper maintenance and reasonable hours. That is competitive with Ferretti and slightly behind Sunseeker in the same size range. Shortlisted buyers in this segment are typically also considering the Sunseeker 90 Ocean, the Princess Y85, and the Ferretti 1000. The Sunseeker offers strong British build quality and classic Flybridge volume. The Princess brings well-appointed interiors and impressive proportions. The Ferretti 1000 is a step up to semi-custom Italian production with deeper displacement and deeper pedigree at the 100-foot mark. The Fly 82 differentiates on 2 specific points: the structural efficiency of the carbon tech build and the deck-to-deck beach club, neither of which the British competitors offer at this specification level. Bottom line, the Fly 82 is the most technically resolved boat in Azimut's Fly Series to date and the right choice for an owner who wants 80-foot capability and genuine Italian engineering without the overhead of a semi-custom build. For the complete spec sheet and competitive analysis, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Victoria Sterling. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.